In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website with GenSpark. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and sign into your account, or of course create one if you haven't created one yet. And then when you do that, you'll be able to see this GenSpark AI workspace, and in here you should just write whatever website you want. So it's literally that simple. You can just type in, for example, build me a pizza place website, or like build me a construction company website, or whatever you want. And of course, the more specific you're going to be, the better the results are going to be, and the more the ones that you expected are going to basically be. So for example, I created a simple website over here for a pizza place, and I just typed in create a pizza place website, and it went on and created this. Yes, it did take a few minutes, however the results are amazing. And I was actually very brief, so I didn't even go into full detail. I could go into details where I could tell it about the color palettes I want, and like the patterns, and how I want the website to look, what features I wanted to have, how I wanted to work, the branding, etc. I didn't do that, but of course you can actually do that. You can you can explain as much detail as you want to and as you need to, and then it's going to go ahead and start creating everything, and then here you'll be able to see your results. So if I open this up in a new window, you'll be able to see, there we go, this is the Pizza Paradise website, and as you can see, it actually looks amazing, and it was all generated with GenSpark within just a few minutes. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's a fully functioning, a great workout as a matter of fact. And of course I would have to change some of the contacts over here and stuff like that, however it's actually working, and of course I can go ahead and just use it. And yeah, so that's how you create it. You can just type in like create a website, and then just explain this as much detail as you want. And then in here, you'll be able to see the preview, you'll be able to see your file explorer with all the files which are connected to the website, the database, and then the tutorial over here in case you need it. And of course, you can go ahead and request further changes. You can just open up the super agent, type in, and of course ask you to create anything, or to do anything, to change anything on the website, and it's going to do just that. So that's pretty much how you make a website with GenSpark. It's that easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.